Let's imagine you're Riedel's best customer. You've installed a whole bank of StageLink devices and you have hundreds of audio signals coming in, hundreds of audio signals going out. When your assistant is in front of that rack and trying to make sure that the correct microphone is plugged into the correct slot, it's possible that there could be a little bit of misunderstanding or mistakes, which could lead to the wrong signal arriving at the wrong destination. To make that process easier, we can actually have the first audio engineer communicating with the second audio engineer and giving them live indications of where cables should be connected. So let's say the first engineer wants a microphone to be linked in to this input port. On the web interface, the first audio engineer can click on this port and the LEDs down the bottom of here will start blinking. So then the second audio engineer who's on site can then plug the cable into the one that's blinking, and in the web interface, the first audio engineer will straight away see, a cable has been connected. So the feedback works both ways. We can also say if we want to identify a specific device, we can make all of the LEDs on a specific device flash so that we know exactly which device we're talking about. Similarly, if we've just connected a new device into the network, then the second audio engineer can press a button on the StageLink device itself, which will cause the web interface to display to the first audio engineer which device has just been connected and therefore which one should be being configured ready to send and receive the audio signals. Now what we can also do is get down into a little bit more detail. So if, for example, we think we should have audio coming out of an output, but when we connect an active loudspeaker, there's no signal. If we're working across a network, sometimes we don't know. Is it a problem with the stream or is it a problem with the audio level? In those cases, thanks to the LEDs on the front panel, we can actually very quickly diagnose where the issue is coming from. There's a separate LED for the stream and for the audio signal. So if we see that the stream is present, but there's no audio signal, then it's going to be either a patching issue further up the chain, or maybe there's a level control that's been turned down, or it's just the volume's not there, or maybe just no one speaking into the mic that's being patched through. Anyway, you know that the problem is an audio issue and it's not a network stream issue. Similarly with the GPIs, which we have on a number of the different StageLink boxes, we can see the status of each GPI pin individually with an LED on the box. So straight away, if you're connecting, for example, a sub-D connector with some GPI inputs, you can see if those GPI inputs are active or not. If the GPI output from the StageLink is supposed to be triggering, let's say, a call light, and the call light is not lighting up, you can see straight away on the box, is the LED on? If yes, that means the problem is outside the StageLink box. So it makes troubleshooting that much quicker and much more intuitive because you have the information directly at your fingertips.